Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Kanya Art and Craft. I am Priya, and today I'm super excited to share some amazing DIY home decor ideas with you. Whether you're looking to refresh your space or add a personal touch to your home, then this video is for you. These projects are super easy and affordable. So let's get creative and transform your home without breaking the bank. As some of you know, we have just moved into our new house. The living area was like an empty canvas for us, and we thought, what better way to make it feel like home than to add our personal touch with some creative, affordable and fun DIY projects. As you can see, we have started working on the foyer area. First we took measurement of the wall and then marked the center part, applied masking tape following the line so that the color stays in its place. I have started applying the color using a painting roller. This shade is from Asian Paint, shade number 8312. I bought 200 ml container to paint this area. I'm pulling off the masking tape once the paint has dried. This is a scrapwood shop from where I bought few customized plywood pieces at a very low cost. Piece that you can see, it was a door. Got the piece customized according to my required size. This is a vinyl sticker. I bought this from Amazon. I'm peeling off the paper from the backside and pasting the sticker on the board. I'll share a link of all the products I'm using in this project in the description box below, so you can check out from there. And pasting the sticker on the board. On one side I'm folding the sticker like this and cutting the other side using a paper knife. Now I'm attaching this L-shaped metal bracket on the back side of the plywood. Here I have decided to use 3 L-shaped metal bracket as the plywood board is quite big and it requires additional support from the center. I have used this L-shaped metal bracket which comes in a set of 6, 4 or 2. This is a CNC cutout which we got customized according to our required design and measurement. These designs were my inspiration. Same design ke sath jana was not possible for me because that was going out of my budget, so I decided to go with the CNC panels जिससे मुझे look भी काफी हद तक similar मिलेगा, and the best part is it's budget friendly. To fix this panel, I have used this L-shaped clamp जो आपको easily Amazon में मिल जाएगा. I took help from a carpenter to assemble all the parts together and to fix the panels on the wall. Installation of the shelf on the wall is done. As you can see, I'm peeling off the sticker from the surface. Here comes my favorite of all, a big size vintage white mirror जिसको मुझे पता नहीं कि मैंने कितने दिनों से wish list करके रखा था. Drilling just on the center of the wall. I have visualized and planned this foyer area for such a long time, and now that everything is finally coming together, I feel happier than ever. This project is a dream come true, and as many of you may know, there is something special about your first home. Decorating it with my own ideas and seeing my vision come to life so beautifully brings a joy that is beyond words. I always wanted to have one small but attractive gallery wall in my home where we could put some pictures of our memorable moments, and this area was something where we cannot place any furniture, so thought of making this our gallery wall. As you have already seen, I'm taking measurements, marking on the wall and drawing an arc shape. Here I'm using this mustard yellow shade from Asian Paint. Shade number is X109. I'm using a roller to apply paint on the wall, and I have already covered the corners with masking tape so that the color stays in its place. Outlining the arc shape properly with a brush. Once the paint has dried, I'm peeling off the masking tape from the wall. have cut few papers to match the size of the photo frame so that I can visualize the arrangement, how much space to leave between them, and where to position the hooks for hanging. Here I'm using this self-adhesive heavy-duty nails because I don't want to drill on this wall. Procedure is very easy. You just need to peel off the sticker from the back side and stick it on the wall. One small tip here, don't hang anything immediately. Just let it rest for half an hour to 1 hour and then you can hang anything. Now I'm adding this MDF cutout plaque to make the gallery wall look more attractive and visually appealing. And I'm also using this double-sided tape to stick them on the wall. The best part about using this self-adhesive nails, hooks or double-sided tape is that whenever I want to change the setup and create something new, I can simply peel them off without any hassle. And this is how it looks after putting all the frames and the plaque. But wait, there is something more to add on. An old table which I painted. I have already shared a tutorial video. To watch the video, click on the link at the top right corner. As I have shared so many interesting zero-cost, budget-friendly DIYs and how to create an excellent decor item out of scratch. Here is a final look of our gallery wall. I am absolutely in love with this corner. It turned out exactly how I visualized. Now let's move on to our TV unit. This wall was completely blank and this furniture was already there in white color, so I thought of doing something which will also match with the existing furniture. So हमने decide किया to go with this PVC panel beading which will visually create the effect of a frame. As you can see, we are measuring and setting the alignment. Here I'm using this 743 super glue. Wearing gloves is mandatory while working with this glue. Now we are just applying few drops of this glue, following the line and pasting this panel to the wall. Marking on some areas so that we can maintain the placement of the PVC panel. Applying few drops of the glue and sticking the panel immediately. Hold it for a minute or two and it's done. And we wanted a simple, elegant look, not something cluttered or overly designed. After attaching the PVC panels on all three sides, we added this wallpaper inside the panel frame. First we have taken measurement and gradually we are pasting it to the wall like this. Using a card to stick the corner properly. Using a cloth to press it towards wall. Now coming to the furniture, मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ changes नहीं किया furniture में since I like the existing white color and wanted to keep the design minimal. I just removed the center shelf as you can see in the video and made a multi-purpose basket from cardboard box to fit that space. पहले तो मैंने सोचा था to place a jute basket there to match the aesthetic of this corner, but since jute baskets are quite expensive, I created this alternative which actually gives almost similar vibe. So what do you think about this DIYs? Do let me know your feedback in the comment section below and please tap the like button if you really enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to share with your friends and please do subscribe to my channel if you're really interested to watch more such videos. Now moving to our dining space. This is our old dining table and we wanted to give it a fresh new look. First I sanded the surface to remove the old paint. I've used this sandpaper and I'm scrubbing on the surface so that the old paint comes out. Rubbing the sandpaper on all the corners. Now using a duster to wipe the surface. Applying white primer using a flat brush. After applying a layer of white primer, I'll let it dry for 24 hours before moving to the next step. After 24 hours, of applying primer, I applied a layer of white enamel paint. I didn't record that part since the process was the same. I just applied one coat of enamel paint and let it dry for 24 to 48 hours depending on the weather. Next, moving to the dining wall. This wall I have painted with mustard yellow, the same color I have used for the gallery wall. I applied masking tape on the corners and used a roller to apply the paint. The process is all same, so I didn't record this part. Now moving on to the chairs. The foam part was in terrible condition, but the structure was still sturdy and of good quality. As always, instead of replacing them, I decided to reuse and refurbish. And since I was short on time, I got help from a sofa repair. I chose this royal blue velvet fabric for the chairs. For the legs, I have used white enamel paint to match with the table. Here is the final result. What do you think of all these home decor DIY ideas? I am absolutely in love with the vibrancy of this corner. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share your feedback in the comment section below. If you enjoy watching this type of content, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to press bell icon to get notified about our upcoming projects. See you in the next video. Bye bye.